I'm Sam. Sam I am.
And I'm Sam's mom.
Welcome to Book Bites, where we are what we eat and we eat what we read. Today on Book Bites, we're going to be making green eggs and ham from the book Green Eggs and Ham. It is a really good book. It has lots of rhymes because it's by Dr. Seuss. And it's really funny. This is Sam I Am. And this is the grumpy guy who doesn't like the green eggs and ham. Or so he says until he tries it. Then he discovers he likes it. Our green eggs and ham will look a little different than the cover. And by a little, we mean a lot. The things you will need are ham, 4 eggs, a little bit of butter, and a little bit of water, and some spinach. Okay, so when we said it was going to be a little bit different, we meant that we're going to be making scrambled eggs with ham in them. So instead of making the scrambled eggs green with food coloring, we're going to make it healthy by making a spinach puree. To make the spinach puree, we add a little bit of water. We're not using a measurement here. And some spinach, like a handful or so. Maybe 2, I don't know. 2?
That looks good.
We kind of lost the lid for a blender, so we're just using a small pot lid. And, what button do I press?
Let's go medium.
Ended up having to add a bit more water and push the spinach down a bit, but here's what we got. Some natural green food coloring, or just some spinach puree, whatever you like to call it. The next step is cutting your ham. We're just using some honey ham, but you could use any ham you want, really. Unlike the book, our ham is not going to be green, because we couldn't really find a way to do that. So we're going to cut the ham, and we're just keeping it in a bundle. Please watch out for your fingers. Don't want anybody's fingers falling off today. We're going to make 2 servings. A serving is 2 eggs. So if you need less or more, just add 2 more eggs or take away 2 more eggs. We're making 2 servings for me and my sister. You crack the eggs into your container. Always wash your hands before touching anything else after touching eggs. Add some spinach puree into your eggs to make them green. Maybe more. There. And scramble them any way you like, with a fork or with a whisk, or if you have another way. The next thing you need to do is put the butter into the pan and melt it for a non-stick surface. Next, we're going to put the ham in to crisp it up before we put our green eggs in. Sizzling. That's always a good sign. And we're ready to put the eggs in because our ham is nice and crisp. So we're going to put our green eggs in to the pan. You just cook it until it's not wet anymore, I guess. You cook it until it's, not liquid. When the eggs are cooked and solid, top with salt and pepper, and to your taste, or any other seasoning you want, and enjoy. Try to get some ham in there. You can't even taste the spinach in here. This is a fun and healthy way to get kids to eat your vegetables. And a yummy way too. Usually now we'd be recommending for you to read Green Eggs and Ham, but who hasn't? It's a classic. But making the dish will make it a better experience. Happy reading and eating!